one of the things that I love doing is going to the flea market and getting these like axes for dirt cheap. You really can't really tell what it is, but oh, now you know what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a belt on Bertha and we're gonna restore it. We're also going to keep in mind that the handle, it's in great condition, except for like maybe the top. So we're probably going to soak this part up here, a little bit of oil, and finish it up, sand it up, epoxy it, and sand it. We are going to use the unsupported portion of our belt grinder right here in the back to essentially avoid the body of the axe but get the edge just right. In our grinding, we have discovered a few imperfections. Yep. So we either need to flatten this out or grind enough of the cheeks, if you will, to get rid of that. So what I like to do is very gently grind this just slightly so we don't have to compromise this portion of the axe. And mind you, we also want to clean the top right here because we want to get rid of that paint and everything, and we want to fill this portion right here with a little bit of epoxy so it can be seamless. We have reestablished the edge, made it very symmetrical. So we're gonna hit it with our buffing wheel and polish everything up and bring it back to its former glory. Right here we have two kinds of rouge, and this is the green one, and this is the white one. Obviously, the white one has a little bit finer compounds, so it can make it shinier. So we're gonna mostly use the green one to polish up the bulk of the ugly, and then we're gonna use the white one to make it nice and shiny. I would love to record every single second that I show, but it takes a lot of positioning and everything. But this is it so far. I'm gonna continue polishing with the polishing wheel because we don't get rid of the deep scratches, which is like the character of the axe. But this is it so far. This is the Warren axe. But thus far, woo! We made sure, didn't wipe anything on. Made sure that this was nice and polished, but kept the original marks. I think that gives a character, but makes it nice and like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We managed to polish it up real pretty. And look how nice it looks. This axe might be on the eBay page later. I'm not sure. I kind of grew into it. I don't have one that size, so I might just keep it. I also have this double-sided plumbus. So maybe that, but then I just have a wall full of axes. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.